Hi, today we are going to design a Christmas tree roller for polymer clay in Blender. It looks like this. You can print it on your own 3D printer and roll a Christmas tree or any other shape as you wish. Okay, so we start with making this unit 0.001 and change length to millimeters. Then we go to File, we click Import, SVG as grease pencil. Then we can choose our SVG file. Let's choose the Christmas tree here. Okay, so the Christmas tree SVG file, the link for download you can find in the description or in the comment section. So feel free to download the file and you can use it as well. And this is our Christmas tree after import. We convert it to mesh. Right-click mouse, convert, go to edit mode. We select this one, click L on the keyboard, and X, delete vertices. Perfect. Then we go back to object mode. We click Ctrl and A, and we choose rotation and scale here. Now we can change the size of our Christmas tree. So we can use the N key on the keyboard. You can see the transform window here. Then please press R for rotate and X in rotate in X only. And let's press it here and put minus 90 degrees. X, Y, Z, 0, 0, and 0 here. So that it's in the middle. Yep. Now again, let's press Ctrl and A on the keyboard and apply rotation and scale again to be sure. Now we can use S for scale, and let's scale it up to, let's say, 20 millimeters. Now we can press Z here for better top view. Thanks for watching so far. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Yes, that. Make in the middle. We go to the edit mode. You can make a selection of half of the Christmas tree. And X for delete and vertices. Now maybe you can draw a little more here. So let's click it with the mouse. Then press E on the keyboard. And let's go here. Be sure that this here, you can see the millimeters over here, it's 0. It's more or less in the straight line. We go up as well here. So again, E, and you go with your mouse just here and make a nice vertex here. Okay, let's go back to the bottom of our Christmas tree. You can always press Z, and now again we click this one, click E. Let's go down for a bit, like 2 millimeters more or less, and keep it in a straight line, so it has to be 0 here. Yes, that's good. Then again E, let's go maybe more or less here, and again E, and make shape like a triangle shape here. And from this point, E again, and maybe more or less 2 millimeters down. Always use the E on the keyboard to do it. You have to be in edit mode, so be sure that it looks like this on your computer as well. Here, click, then E, yeah, about 2 millimeters up. If it's okay, then you press E again. We go, yeah, maybe we can zoom out a little bit. click here, E, click here. Yeah, maybe we can close up. And again, E, and let's go 2 millimeters, more or less 2 millimeters up. Keep it in straight line. Perfect. Now we have to click here, click E. Let's go with a longer line here, more or less here. Please be careful if it's straight. It should be straight. Let's go up again, up here, also straight line. Now we have to join the points here, but they are not even. I guess it would be a good idea to, yeah, it's not even. So let's close up a little bit, zoom in, and make it longer with E as well. Let's go here to this line, make it quite straight, and we go here on the right. Again, press Z if it just it's gone wild here. Again, E, let's go to the line. It has to be straight line. So again, 0 has to be here, as you can see. Now it shows us that it is straight. Perfect. Now we click this point is clicked. Holding Shift, you click this one, and you click F on the keyboard, and it joins by itself. We go to object mode, we click it, or you press A on the keyboard, and you press Shift and D for a copy. Then you move it right here, then right click on your mouse and mirror X. Perfect. Then you can move it. Yeah, so let's move it a little bit closer. Yeah, as close as you can, but maybe not so that the lines are not together. So you just very close, but not too close. Okay, that looks good. Nice. Let me press Z for a better top view of our roller. So this is our base. We have to do one more thing before extrusion. This thing here, we go to edit mode. Then you click it, you go here to poly build, you click this one and you make it here on the other way around, just here, but be sure that it is smaller, like half, even smaller, maybe 20-30% smaller than this triangle here, so it fits good when sliding it. Yeah, something like this. This should be okay. Now we go up. Okay, again, it messes up a little bit, so press Z. And this one as well, but we have to be, yeah, sometimes you have to, yeah, quit. And again, press edit mode, because the vertex, yeah, these vertices are not all, yeah, I think there are 2 of them here. Yeah, so we have to do this. We have to zoom in a little bit. Yes, all right, so this is this one. Yeah, and this. And yeah, and now we can, yes, poly build is on, so we come here and make it with your mouse something like this. Yeah, so it fits really nice, but there is some room for sliding. Now we can press Z again to see. So now we go back to object mode. Yep. And again, rotation and scale. So please click A for selecting all of the objects, and then Control plus A and rotation and scale. Then we go to edit. Okay, you click this object here and click F. Then be sure to change in your edit mode to the 3rd icon there. Okay, be sure to do it. Then you press E on your keyboard. You can make the view here, press E, and we go up with your mouse, and let's say 60 millimeters Very good. This is the half of our roller ready. So you can just, you can just choose file, you can export it to STL, and this is our first half. So now you can hide it. We go to our second object here. And so we go to object mode. We click it. We go to edit mode again. And we click it. Okay, first of all we go here on this edge selection, so the first icon in edit mode, and you press F for face. Yeah. Then we go here on the third icon, you press E for extract. E, and you go up, and you press 60 millimeters as well. Yep. We go zoom out. And this is the other half of our roller. You can export it to STL, and be sure to print it on flat, so it should be laying just flat on the back. So this is our roller. It should roll really nicely, and in a minute I will show you the effect. So it should roll, it should slide one in another quite smoothly, and you can make your own Christmas tree shapes or any other shapes, and they are symmetrical. Thank you. Bye-bye.